My name is Emily Zimmerman, and I'm a registered nurse injector at Mirror Beauty Boutique here in Houston, Texas. Today I wanted to take a few minutes and discuss one of my favorite products with you, and that is Voluma. So when you hear the word Voluma, think volume, because that's what it's all about with Voluma. Restoring the volume in the mid-face area of the cheek and to help support things and create more contour and structure in the face. Voluma is perfect for the demographic age 35 to 65 that's needing a little bit of help and a little bit of restructure and contour, but not necessarily ready for a facelift. And it is perfect for this area because it just gives you, let me take my glasses off. It gives you more structure and contour right here through this mid-face and right through the cheek. It is the first and only FDA-approved dermal filler to be laid deeply right over the bone to help to restore this mid-face. The mid-face is such an important part of the anatomy, and it's honestly one of the most forgotten about areas. People get so hyped up with the Botox and the lips and all the things that they don't even know what all is in the mid-face that can do for a person. It is basically the support beam for your house, but for your face. It serves a huge purpose to help keep the under eye supported and keep from hollowing out, and it also serves a huge purpose to keep things from melting down and becoming nasolabial folds, marionette lines, jowls, all that kind of stuff. So typically between 1 to 2 mLs per cheek is where we start for our first initial treatment, and that should get you about 2 years of durability out of the product. It is a Vicross technology form of the Juvederm family, and that means that it has a component in there that makes it a little bit harder for the body to metabolize and break down, so it lasts you even longer. There's not a lot of pain associated with this treatment. We do numb you topically for about 20 minutes in the office, and then the procedure itself takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and the product itself has lidocaine in it as well, so that provides a little bit more comfort for you after the procedure is done. Prior to treatment, we don't want you to have any blood thinners for about 10 days, just to minimize your risk of bleeding and bruising. And we usually, as a rule of thumb, recommend you don't have any significant events like family photos or wedding or anything like that for about 2 to 3 weeks after, just in case you were to get a big bruise or something. I can't say enough good things about this product, honestly. It's awesome because it really does give you that youthful, rested appearance without having the overdone cheek necessarily. And oftentimes people try to treat the effects of what's causing the nasolabial folds and all that stuff with fillers, and they pack a lot of filler in there, when actually it's better to treat the cause, which is right through here. And that way when you smile, it doesn't flatten out and look really puffy and full through here. That's one of the beautiful things about Voluma, is that it just overall gives you a more rested appearance and helps to give you a little bit more contour and help with the sagging of the skin without looking injected necessarily. Unfortunately, as we age, it's not all fun and games and lips and just a little Botox here and there. There's more involved with structural components of the face that need some correction. But it can be very tastefully done with the Voluma. I have right here a great picture to show. This is a mother-daughter, age, how old is she? 26, and the mom is 64. But you can just see how this side has started to recede in the cheek area, and it's causing this hollow here, and things start to melt down through here. So just to grab my little handy dandy pin here, if you were to draw a line between the eye and the corner of the mouth and the nose and the ear, right through here is the area that's typically going to be hollowing out. You see that? And if you look right here, that is absolutely what's happened to Mom. Where these lines intersect is supposed to be the most prominent part of your cheek, and as you can tell, that is very much not the case anymore. So we lay the Voluma right in here, all through here to help support that, and then we just fan a little bit back in the cheek area to provide more contour, keep things more of the heart shape that is more symbolic of youthful appearance, and just helps, we can provide a little bit of a lift while we're injecting it. So you almost are pulling on the skin a little bit and tacking in. So it's amazing what it does to just pull this back out and support the eye. So much higher her eye looks through here. versus how saggy it looks through here. So a lot of times women will come in and they don't even realize what they're not liking about their appearance, and they think that it's this and this and this, but when we address this mid-face area, the look on their face, they're like, what? You don't even realize, like you did, it's like a little best kept secret. But anyways, that's Voluma in a nutshell, and give us a call. We'd love to meet with you and help you address this area if this might be you. That's about it. Hope to see you soon. Bye.